हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। आपका स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल द लैंग्वेज लवर्स में। मेरा नाम अर्जुन है और आज की क्लास में हम सीखेंगे लेटर चे y आचे इन स्पेनिश। ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Empezamos. The letter चे is pronounced as ch in Hindi and it sounds in church of English word. For example, Chico. Chico is boy. Mochila. Mochila is backpack. Los niños llevan sus libros en la mochila. Okay. The boys carry their books in the backpack. Okay. Ocho. Ocho is 8. I have already made a video on Spanish number. The link is in I button, so you can just go through that video. Noche. Noche is night. Mucho. Mucho is much. Muchacho. Muchacho is young guy. Muchacho. Chacho. Double cha. Muchacho. Dicho. Dicho is past participle of decir. Decir is to say or to tell. Okay. Escuchar. Escuchar. Char. Escuchar. Escuchar is to listen. Okay. Muy bien. Now let's learn about the other letter H. La letra H is the only silent letter in Spanish alphabet. In Spanish alphabet. Okay. So let's have some example of la letra H. Hola. Hola, not hola. Okay. Hola. Hola is hi, hello. Hoy. Hoy is today. Hoy. H-O-I. Not hoy. Hoy. Hoy is today. Historia. Historia. Okay. Not historia. Like history. In English we say history. But in Spanish, historia. Okay. H will be silent always. I is there are. I. Hermoso. Hermoso is beautiful. Hermoso dia. Que dia hermoso. Que dia tan hermoso. What a beautiful day. Hermano. Hermano is brother. Hermano. जब लास्ट में ए आएगा, hermana. Hermana is sister. Hermano is brother. Hermana is sister. Hotel. Hotel and hotel have the same spelling, but the pronunciation is different. In Spanish, it's called hotel. Hotel. Humor. Humor is mood. Estoy de bien humor hoy. Estoy de bien humor hoy. I am in good mood today. Okay. Hacer. Hacer is to make, to do. Hacer is el verbo. Hacer, to do, to make. Very important. Irregular verb. We will learn about all these things in coming videos. Hablar. Hablar is to speak. Muy bien. So friends, it's all in today's video. I hope you liked it and please keep learning, keep growing. मिलते हैं next video में. Bye bye. Hasta luego. Ciao.